This Phillips smart lock was one of the best additions to my home this year. It's easy to install and easy to program. It allows me to check whether my house is locked from anywhere in the world. I'm also able to lock and unlock it from any location. The installation took less than 20 minutes, even with me having to set a new strike plate. I'm programming the fingerprint touchpad. Your finger around while you're doing this so that it can open from any angle.